The replacement of the upper head. Firstly, unscrew fastening bolt, then we can take the upper head down. Secondly, install the upper head and then fasten the bolt. Replacement of the steel mold. Firstly, unscrew the screws behind the feeding funnel and then remove the feeding funnel. Secondly, turn the flywheel forward until the upper pressing head presses the mold. Then loose the nut and turn the flywheel backward, that the upper pressing head comes to the original position. Thirdly, remove the steel mold and put on a new one. Turn the flywheel forward until the upper pressing head presses the mold. Then fasten the bolts of the mold pressing block. Fourthly, observe the remote feeding funnel to check whether the feeding funnel needs to be replaced the skin of the feeding funnel or not. Use the plier to remove the old skin of the feeding funnel and install a new one. Then use glue water to conglutinate the skin of the feeding funnel and the feeding funnel. Fifthly, install the device of the feeding funnel. Powder leakage. If the left leaks powder, we need to adjust the M8 nut, which is behind of the pushing device on the right. The direction is upward. If the right leaks powder, we need to adjust the M8 nut, which is behind of the pushing device on the left. The direction is upward. This is well tuned, the device will not leak powder anymore. Replacing the bearing. The stripping bearing belongs to the parts, which should be replaced frequently during the using of the equipment. Firstly, loose the bolt and turn circular shaft 90 degrees. Secondly, use circlip foreshaft or pincer to remove the circlip foreshaft at the end of manual. Use crowbar to strike to make the manual separating from the bearing. Thirdly, install the manual and a new bearing. Fourthly, install circlip foreshaft. Fifthly, turn the circular shaft 90 degrees and lock it tightly.